This Faceless YouTube channel makes over $12,000 a month. That's because the AI news niche has one of the highest RPMs on YouTube. In this video, I'm breaking down how to make videos in this niche without showing your face, speaking on camera, or even coming up with what to say yourself. Step 1. Create a new channel and brand it. You want your channel to look like a legitimate news source from day one. Set up a fresh YouTube channel using a new Google account. Once that's ready, head to Namelix. Type in keywords like AI, news, tools, or update, and let it generate some unique channel name ideas. Click through until you find one that feels clean, short, and easy to remember. Make sure the name sounds like it belongs on a tech news site, not a vlog. Then go to Canva or Luca to create your logo and banner. Canva is great if you want more design control. Luca works better if you just want to type in the name and choose from templates. Keep the color scheme simple. Dark backgrounds with white or bright-colored text usually look modern and professional. Add something related to tech or digital tools to make it clear what your channel is about. Next, set up your channel settings. Add a default video description. This should include keywords like AI news, ChatGPT updates, AI tools, and OpenAI. These help with YouTube search. Add a default tag section as well. That saves you time on future uploads. You can also choose to hide like counts if you want a cleaner look while your channel is still growing. Once your channel is branded and ready, it's time to move on to content. Step 2. Research a trending video topic. You can't just guess what to post. You need to find trending AI news that people are actively searching for. Start with trusted sources. Check out TechCrunch, Wired, The Verge, and MIT Tech Review. These are real publications that cover the AI space with new posts almost daily. Look for breaking stories like product launches, lawsuits, mergers, or government policy changes. If OpenAI drops a new version of GPT, that's instant content. If Google announces something new inside Gemini, cover it. People search for these updates right away. To make sure the topic has interest, go to Google Trends. Type in the tool or topic and check if the search volume is rising. If it is, you've got something worth making a video on. You can also use vidIQ to check YouTube-specific search volume and competition levels. That gives you a real sense of what viewers want and how hard it is to rank. For bonus ideas, check Reddit's r/machine learning community. The top posts there usually highlight cutting-edge updates that haven't hit the news cycle yet. X is also great for tracking AI researchers and developers. Follow people at DeepMind, OpenAI, and Anthropic. When they post updates, you'll be one of the first to cover it. Step 3. Write the script. You don't need to write from scratch. Go to Verbo. Sign up and log in. Head over to the template section, search for news, and choose a tech news template. Then pick an avatar. Gabriel is a great default. He looks neutral and professional. Inside Verbo, you can use their AI scriptwriter tool. Just enter the topic, a short description, or even a direct link to the news article. The AI will generate a full script for you. Read through the draft. The AI gets most things right, but you'll want to edit for flow and clarity. Keep sentences short. Remove extra words. Make sure the story is explained simply. Think about an 8th grade reading level. The goal is speed and clarity. Your viewer should get the full update in under 5 minutes without needing any background knowledge. Step 4. Generate the voiceover. Inside Verbo, you can use the built-in text-to-speech tool. Choose a clear, confident voice. Not robotic, not dramatic. Match the voice to the way your avatar looks. The important part is that it sounds steady and trustworthy. Once your voiceover is generated, Verbo will automatically attach it to your video scenes. You can preview it and adjust the timing if you need to. Step 5. Edit. Inside Verbo's editor, Replace all the placeholder images with visuals that match your script. Add screenshots of specific AI tools if they're relevant, tweets from OpenAI, or news article headlines. Use free stock visuals if you need to, or record your screen scrolling through the announcement. Customize the backgrounds to match your brand. Keep it clean. Use consistent colors and fonts. For text, keep it simple and bold. Add big headlines to each scene. If there's a major announcement, make it pop. Use fade-in or slide-up effects to grab attention. High contrast colors work best. White text on a dark background is usually a safe choice. You can add icons or stickers like robot heads or alert symbols, but don't overdo it. Keep things moving quickly. Then add background music. Use one of Verbo's built-in tracks. If the story is big and fast-moving, go with something energetic. If it's a slower update, pick something more neutral. Match the pace of the music to your voiceover. Adjust the volume so it supports the narration, not competes with it. When the video looks clean and sounds good, export it. Step 6. Upload to YouTube. Use a title that includes the trending keyword and make it sound interesting. In the description, include a quick summary of the news, a few keywords like AI tools, tech update, and any source links. You can add tags using rapid tags. This helps people find your video. Then schedule the video based on your target audience's time zone. Try to publish during high activity hours. Step 7. Monetize. First, you've got YouTube ad revenue. This niche regularly brings in $5 to $15 per 1,000 views. That means if your video hits 100,000 views, you could earn anywhere from $500 to $1,500. And that's just one video. Over time, those add up. Second, affiliate marketing. You're most likely going to mention tools like 11 Labs and Verbo. Add links in the description to these tools. If someone signs up, you get paid. For example, 11 Labs offers 22% recurring commission for the first 12 months. If a user pays $22 a month, you get almost $5 each month they stay subscribed. If you can get 100 signups, you could be making $500 in passive income. Third is sponsorships. Once your channel has steady views, start reaching out to AI startups. They want to get in front of the exact audience you're attracting. A sponsored video could pay anywhere from $500 to $5,000, depending on your reach. Show your view counts and match them with the right brands. Fourth, digital products. After building trust, offer extra value. You can make ebooks, AI tool guides, or even private newsletters. Sell them through platforms like Gumroad, Podia, or Notion. It's a one-time effort that can generate ongoing income. This niche works because it's relevant, growing fast, and supported by solid tools. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to share updates quickly and clearly. Let the tools do the hard parts and stay focused on speed and value. All the links are in the description. Check out the full tools list. Try Verbo for scripting and editing, and see what kind of results you can build in the next 30 days. What do you think about the AI news niche? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.